So in the Colorado Rockies, a certain time of the year, the bighorn sheep will fight. They'll lock horns in this battle of dominance to see who gets to mate, who's the strongest. Here in Santa Cruz at the workshop, we also have a similar sort of battle of strength and power in the workshop. And if we're quiet, oh my gosh, here at the workshop at Shamma Sandals, we have a similar sort of dynamic going on. And if we're quiet, if we pay close attention, we might see it happening. So let's take a look.
Wait, what's happening?
He thinks we're gonna do battle.
Well, we have to explain what we're doing.
There's no explanation.
There's no explanation.
No
There's
explanation
already
at all.
Bighorn sheep.
Bighorn sheep.
Okay.
Okay.
The pole.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Okay, go. Wait, let's get a better base.
No.
I'll give you some.
You're trying to use the jolt. Just strength, man. No jerky motions.
Let go!
I really want you to let go.
It's mom!
You let go! Oh gosh, I almost lost it. If you had kept going, you would have won.
It just looks like you guys are just standing there. It doesn't look like you're even doing anything.
I'm giving all my effort, Christian. All of it.
Me too. I'm so sweaty now. Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, go. We have like a totally different stance. Okay,
I know.
Ah, no!
My
Woo!
pride.
Apex predator.
TK.
Or what is it? The alpha? Alpha male? I don't know.
You're the alpha sheep.
You get to breed with all of the sheep.
Yes.
Well, is that the only way you do this?
Yeah.
I saw you guys
I think Josh
pushing.
can do it now.
I saw you guys pushing
No, we were pulling the whole time.
the whole time.
We're just testing our
That
grip
was something
strength.
else. Yeah.
Like just seeing how hard we can hold it.
It's not fair. He's a rock climber, like the
both
mountain
are.
goat. He is a rock
You
climber.
truly are a mountain goat, TK. That's it?
You want to try, Josh?
I don't know if I want to be embarrassed on film. I'm an old man. TK won because he's got that.
What do I have?
He's got this little nub there.
Oh, is that what it is? I won't use it.
Okay, you can pull it however you want.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, go.
Oh.
You're holding like that. I think that's why. You gotta like,
Okay.
kind of like you're grabbing like a ball.
Like you're grabbing what?
A ball. Just a big softball. Okay, ready? Okay, go.
Oh my gosh, I'm losing it! It's coming out. Oh.
Here,
What
Josh.
was this other one? You guys were like, you had him on your stomach?
Well, that's this. This is a more serious version.
It takes a
that
lot
we
of
do.
coordination though. I don't think we've gotten it yet. Okay, you go first.
I can't. Oh my gosh.
Please tell me you got it.
I just got the thumbnail for this video. Perfect.
What?
Perfect.
Gosh.
What else?
I don't
Is
know
that
what that
it?
is. I don't know.
Well,
I don't know what else it is.
what about
also-
pushing? Try
Well, this is
pushing.
the caber toss.
I think you guys have been around too much turpentine. I think that's what's going on.
Oh no! Look out, guys! I was supposed to go that way.
So how should we like have just our feet totally like you can't move your feet? How should we do this?
I don't know. What should we? What should we do?
Why are you holding like that? No, no, just you want to push
I was
with your,
trying to,
you wanna push with
ease
your
it
nipple?
into position.
Oh. This is what we're doing now. Put it in place.
Turn the camera off.
No,
Camera off.
no, I
Leave it
can't.
on. Leave it on.
Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more weekly content. And make sure to click the bell so that you'll be notified every time we post something new.